To do this awesome roti, rub in a teaspoon of ghee into 2 kilograms of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and knead into 2.5 cups of water. Use a tea towel to cover and rest for 20 minutes. The key to get soft, delicious roti is to roll out your dough correctly. You can do this either individually or, my favorite, in batches. Cut dough into half, roll on floured surface until it is flat. Lather with a teaspoon of oil and cut dough into desired size and tuck both ends. Put dough on a floured surface to rest for an additional 15 minutes. Place grease, roti pan or towel on medium heat. Form dough in a circular shape and roll on floured surface until it's flat. Place dough on towel for about a minute. Flip, grease, flip and grease again. A ready dough has hair pocket and is light brown in color. Fluff your roti in cup hands between paper towel until it's flaky. Served with your desired stew or curried meat.